In this video, we will guide you step by step through replacing the mainboard and scan engine of an NT series scanner. First, gather the tools you'll need: an NT series scanner, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Let's get started. First, peel off the information label on the bottom of the scanner. You'll find two screws hidden underneath. Next, remove the screws. After removing the screws, lift off the plastic cover on top of the scanner. Note, the latch is at the rear. Begin applying force from the scanning window side. After opening the top cover, disconnect this flexible cable first. Remember to lift the black latch before removing the cable. Next, remove the two mounting screws from the motherboard. You can now remove the main board completely. However, keep in mind there's also a power cable connected to the back of the motherboard. Next, disconnect the flexible cable that links the main board to the scan engine. Next, remove the two screws that hold the scanning engine in place. If the main board is damaged, install the scan engine onto the new main board. If the scan engine is damaged, attach the new scan engine to the existing main board. Next, we'll show you how to restore the scanner to its original state. Align the scanner engine with the main board's mounting holes, returning it to its original position. Reconnect the flexible cable that links the motherboard to the scanning engine. Then, plug in the power cord. Carefully reinstall the main board inside the scanner. Next, tighten the two screws to secure the motherboard in place. Also, make sure to reconnect the flexible cable. After completing all the previous steps, close the top cover. Start by securing the rear latches, then gently press forward to lock it in place. Finally, tighten the screws to secure the cover and reattach the label you removed earlier. Thank you for watching.